going to show you how the Blaze Blaster works. It's a very effective system for putting out fires. It's designed for emergency fires. One springs up in the backyard, one blows off the hillside. That's what I've designed it for. It comes with interchangeable tips. It can be operated with gloves. It's very fast, it's very effective. I've done a demo fire here to show you how it works. This is a general purpose tip. Always aiming at the base of the fire. Now you can come back and spray it a bit more if you like, but the fire gets out really, really fast. And the advantage of this particular tip is a wide dispersal pattern, ideal for grass fires. Now if you have a longer range fire, all you do is change tips. The water flow stops immediately when you disconnect it. You put on the other tip. Now this is more for specific spots. For an example, if you're aiming over at that board or anywhere else you want to aim, it douses the fire. So what I'm going to do is going to restart the fire and I'll show you how it works with the foaming agent. I've placed cardboard on the fire. It's got a wood core underneath. I've lit some wood structure on fire. I want to build the fire big enough so you can see what this will do. Obviously I can't light the house on fire, and I wouldn't. I can't light other structures on fire. I'm trying to give you some idea how effective the system is. I've got the general purpose tip on here. We've added detergent to our water. I want to show you what the difference is. Where this gets going, and watch. Let's hit it now. Now the fire is underneath this cardboard. You knock down the initial amount. Now what happens is the soap sticks to the surface and smothers the fire from the top down. Internally there's a bit of heat left. It's going to try to re-burn, but we've knocked down the initial source of the fire. So the key here is to shoot underneath. And you'll knock that fire completely out. What you'll see is the foam. The foam on top is the detergent reacting with the fire. It's also smothering the flames as well. There's a little heat left in there. As you can see, it's a combination of steam and smoke. We certainly gain control of the fire at this point in time. There is a little heat left in there. You're going to find that the soap that we've added to our water has made a very effective difference. Obviously, you want the fire completely out. At this point in time, you grab a shovel, you turn over what's there already, and continue to spray. What I've done also with this particular system, I've hardened it off for the real world use. The line that leads into the sprayer system is braided stainless steel. It's designed for severe use in a severe environment. In any case, I'm going to show you to put the underside of this fire. It's smoldering a bit. You shouldn't put it out all the way. This is just from the initial spray. We hit the top, we hit it from the sides, and this is what remains right now. So to finish putting out this fire, use a shovel, expose the heart of the fire, spread it out like that, and just douse it. What you're hearing is a combination of hot spots. There's sand underneath this fire. The sand is preheated, causing a lot of steam. There's a little smoke left. I'm looking for smoke. There's little tiny bits, wisps of steam. You'll find with the detergent, once you spray it, depending how hard you hit the internal part of the fire, it will continue extinguishing the fire after the fact. I do recommend adding dish soap to the water, absolutely, because it stays with the fire afterwards. It cancels it out completely. It makes a big difference for suppression. You'll find if you put out a campfire for one of these things, it'll be very, very difficult to relight that campfire. I've changed tips to the long-range tip. You want to put the long-range tip in for penetrating a fire, or if it's underneath an eaves, underneath a deck, this is designed it for. Also good for long range. This does not disperse the water stream hardly at all. It's designed for focused attack. Now our fire is almost out, but I can give you some idea of the range this will go at. I'll read this for 20 or 25 feet easily. It will go to 35. Now again, this is designed for long range, underneath eaves, things like that. Anyway, brief demonstration of how to put out a fire. I hope this has helped, and see you with the Blaze Blaster soon.